Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dennis from Crypto Planet, also the Crypto Jew here and on Twitter. And today I'm going to be doing an updated Ethereum USD analysis using the Coinbase pair. So as you guys can see, I have a few different zones and a few different trend lines set up. The top green trend line is a strong resistance where we've seen a bearish divergence be created before, which led to a few drops in price. As we've seen this drop over here from around 363 to this strong support at 116, and from this strong drop from about 289 to around this strong support at $90. And then we also have this trend line over here where we can see that we also have support zones that are very important. And we can see that price came under this zone and reached this box that I have right over here. So I'll explain what these boxes are now. So right over here is where we saw our initial bottom. And from this zone, we saw a large, almost a little bit over 350% increase from that area. And from the second box that I have right over here, this is another strong support zone where we saw price rebound around 150% from that support. So these are areas where a lot of buyers step in once price heads to those zones. So that's why I targeted these areas. As we can see before, price recently dumped all the way from this area to this area. So I have this area set up over here. And as we can see, the candle wicked from this zone all the way up into this area over here once again. So that's a good sign, as we have bounced with a lot of strength in the past from this area, and we've actually propelled ourselves above this trend line that was created here before. Now that shows that this trend line that was once support became resistance, and now we have gotten above that trend line once again, which is a really good sign in my opinion. And if we can stay above this, that would show that the bullish trend is still continuing. If we don't stay above it, it is a possibility that we can head back down to that lower zone once again, where we'd have to wait to see if that holds and if we continue upwards again to figure out whether or not we are still going to continue this bullish trend. But right now, it looks like the bullish trend is going to continue, and we just have to see what happens once we get to these zones up here. You know, we saw a strong resistance over here before. We want to see price get above there next time we reach there, maybe at least test it and then attempt to go above it again. You know, we may see a bit of a pullback once we reach that zone, where we may attempt to break above it again. And once we get above that zone, that'll be a very strong bullish sign. And that's something I'm really looking forward to. Now, if you guys enjoyed this analysis, make sure to give me a subscription. Make sure to like the video. And if you want to stay up to date on my analysis, definitely want to join the Telegram chat down below. It's completely free for the time being, so you don't want to miss out on that. You'll get all these sorts of wonderful updates regarding coins like Ethereum, and of course, smaller coins like XRP, Holochain, Chainlink, everything that we're invested in. So yeah, you don't want to miss that. Make sure to give me a follow on Twitter as well. All right, guys, take care. Be safe with everything going on with the coronavirus as well.